right, folks, this is it, really. I'm leaving. There's just too many. They never stop. Oh, what is the matte black or the matte paint job? Look at this. Oh, my God. Oh, it's too much. Outsider Customs, a 1964 Impala wagon. Look at that matte paint job on it. Wow.
But this is one of those.
Resto mod, because that's not the original engine, I'll tell you that much right now. Wow, wow, wow. And then we got a Mustang, also with a matte paint job. 1968 Mustang. I like this one. They never made a song about a Hemi. Giddy up 409. She's real fine, my 409. Look at that. Then we got a special deluxe 36 Chevy. Look at this Cutlass. Just leave me alone. 62 Cutlass. Oh, man. All right, I gotta stop.